to A Night in LA presents Dance Avenue! Ay, palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Ibang-iba ang ating energy tonight. Grabe. Ano ba ito? Meron pa yata tayong 300 people tonight. Woo! Welcome, welcome. So I want to make sure everyone is paying attention. May I ask everyone to look at the person on your left and say, hello. Oh. Look at the person on your right and say, hi. Ayan. Yung iba sa kaliwa pa rin nakatingin. Yung iba, ayan. Ganyan ang ating energy here at Dance Avenue. Welcome po sa inyo lahat. It's our favorite Monday night. Every week yan. Dito po yan sa iVenue here in Glendale. Welcome, welcome. Who's our newcomers tonight? Meron ba tayong mga newcomers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 255 people tonight! Ang dami. Welcome, welcome po sa inyo lahat. By the way, my name is Jamie B. And I'm your regular Monday host dito po sa Dance Avenue. This is our favorite dance break time. Because to our viewers there in YouTube, we've been dancing since 7 p.m. And right now it's already 9:40. So we've been dancing for around 2.5 hours. And before that, we had a lot of sumptuous food served by, of course, the Roquefort. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Yes, and of course, again, welcome to our YouTube channel viewers po. Thank you for being here every week with us, and we are posting our shows every week. And to all our new viewers, welcome to you again, and don't forget to subscribe, click our like button, and our notification bell so you're always gonna be updated to all the posts that we are sharing, everyone. Okay, so nakaugalian na natin na lagi tayong may dance challenge, di ba? Yan. Sino kaya ma-dance challenge natin tonight? And usually I have a co-host here, Brooks. But right now he's in Europe. But don't worry, he's gonna be back next week. Diba? Ang saya-saya niya. I saw his post earlier. He was just pointing at the Eiffel Tower. Pero babalik din siya next week. Yan. Medyo nagkakaguluhan po ron kasi medyo excited talaga sila sa mga nangyayari tonight. Alright, so we're gonna do our dance challenge. Since Brooks is not here, I'm going to challenge myself. But I'm gonna pick a dancer to dance with me. Yes, to all our viewers, we have a lot of dance instructors here every Monday. Kaya tatawag tayo ng pwede nating makasayaw. Ano ba ang pwede nating sayawin tonight? Ano pwedeng sayawin? Give me a dance. Cha-cha? Samba? Nasayaw ko na ba yung samba? Hindi pa, no? Samba. Samba. Kasi magaling sa samba. Samba. Hindi yung samba sa church, ha? Hindi yung samba sa church. Sambang saya, ha? Errol, absentee. Nasa CR yata. Ayun na yun, nakaitim. Mr. Francis Kabakang. Pwede po ba nating pasayawin si Mr. Francis? May I challenge you for a samba dance? Uy. Ako na po ngayon ang nagcha-challenge. Sige. Samba. Alright, let's do this! and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mr. Francis.
Oh, thank you so much.
Nakita niyo yun? I've never seen you dance like that.
Oh, a long
'Cause-
time ago.
A long time ago. When was the last time you danced like that?
When my last competition, as far as I remember, is like 2010.
2010, so
Yeah, and
15
then I
years ago.
retired.
So he used to compete samba dancing.
Wow, international Latin.
Oh, international Latin.
They call it.
Kasi po ang samba po, it came from Brazil.
Brazil.
Right? And then
Formerly, it's originated in, it's an Afro-Cuban dance in Rio de Janeiro.
ang galing. Kasi the dance that we did earlier was a bronze samba,
Yeah,
right?
it's syllabus. Like you have to learn it in from beginner, intermediate, and then gold.
So, pang basic lang pala yung sinayaw ko kanina, no?
That's only a basic one. That's for
Oo.
beginners.
Can I see? Kasi that was a bronze, di ba? Paano yun?
Oh no, that's a like a whisk, stationary, something like that, and then
Ah.
polka.
So basic pa pala yung
Basic
ginawa
pa
kong
yun.
yun. Big round of applause again for Mr. Francis. Did you guys know, back in the Philippines, he used to dance not ballroom dancing first. He started dancing as a hip-hop dancer
Yeah,
before,
hip-hop.
di ba?
Yes.
Hip-hop. And he used to, nag-audition po siya sa Street Boys dati. Sila Vong Navarro, di
Yeah, kaya
ba?
lang ligwak.
Ligwak kasi hindi siya tumatumbling.
Yes.
Opo. Sige nga, tumbling. Ay, hindi, wag. Wag po.
Hindi na.
And then, so talagang hip-hop dancer ka talaga.
Yeah, I started when I was in elementary, folk dance, and then, cultural dancing, and then went to hip hop when I was in high school, college.
And then, and what pushed you to dance ballroom?
Okay, kasi to make the story short, alam naman natin if you're gonna dance on TV, kung hindi ka sikat, like Mr. Jerome Espeleta, hindi,
As I see Mr. Jerome, ayun.
VIP dancers. Yeah. So, someone encouraged me, like, why did you try ballroom? So, hindi hectic ang and then budget-wise.
Yun nga po. Kasi ang ballroom dancing, you have your own schedule. You
Yeah, I have
own
my
your own schedule.
Yeah.
And then the talent fee is just all yours, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi po kasi katulad minsan pag group dance, nagde-divide ang mga dancers. Siyempre may pamilya rin po tayong binubuhay.
Yes.
Di ba? Pero congratulations to Mr. Francis and thank you for dancing with me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang galing, no? Minsan hindi mo alam, kaya pala nilang ganun-ganun. Mas magaling pa siyang kumembot sa akin. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's a treat tonight because we have a lot of performers again for you. Starting off with one of our birthday celebrants. They're ready, right? May we have one of our birthday celebrants here on our precious dance floor, Miss Georgie, together with her partner, Mr. Bong, to dance salsa. Mas malakas sa palakpakan!
Sí, sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy.
Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que yo voy.
Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
Ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo.
Despacito, quiero respirarte a besos despacito. Firma las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito.
Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo. Que enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos.
Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro.
Hasta provocar
Woohoo! Thank you very much, Miss Georgie and Mr. Bong. Ayan, join nyo naman po kami dito. Happy birthday to you. Tignan naman nyo naman si Miss Georgie, parang supermodel din. Yan, so, sige, breathe muna tayong konti, Palakpakan naman sa mga friends at kasama ni Miss Georgie. Talagang proud na proud po kami sa'yo. What a beautiful dance tonight. Salsa, yan. It's a Cuban dance style yan na nag-originate mula sa New York noong araw. Ayan. How are you feeling tonight on your birthday?
Okay.
Ayan, lapit na po natin yung mic natin. Yes.
I'm fine.
Ayan, kayo po ba ay nakakain ng gusto sa dami ng pagkain natin tonight? medyo mahirap pong magsalita ngayon, 'di ba? Ayan. Pero ito quick lang question. So bago lang ba kayo mag-partner ni Mr. Bong or you've been dancing before?
We've been dancing.
You've been dancing before. But do you compete in competitions or just social dancing like this? Social dancing. Pero how long na po kayo nagba-ballroom dancing? Ayan, lapit na po. 12 years. Wow.
But I slow down.
You slow down because you're busy with work or... where do you live po? From Palm Springs. Oh, di ba? Bumiyahe pa siya from Palm Springs. Ano po ba ang special sa Palm Springs? Opo, meron bang ano po? Dates. Uy, ayan marami pong dates sa Palm Springs. Baka gusto niyo pong mag-visit dyan. O sige po, marami pong salamat Miss Georgie and Mr. Bong. Happy birthday po. Thank you very much. Yan mga viewers natin. You can visit dito sa Los Angeles, sa Palm Springs din. Malayo-layo yan, pero nakarating sila, di ba? Okay, so another performance for you guys. Ito naman, isa rin sa mga birthday celebrants natin tonight na pulang-pula. Ayan huwag kang kabahan, madam, hindi po ikaw yun Oo. Opo, pulang-pula rin ang ating birthday celebrant because she is so excited. I think almost half of our guests tonight is all coming from the mga kasama niya, di ba? Ayan. So ladies and gentlemen, to dance Milonga, one of our birthday celebrants, give a big round of applause to Miss Ressie together with her partner, Benny.
Sacarle viruta al piso hasta romper los zapatos.
Thank you very much! One of our birthday girls, Miss Ressie, halika samahan niyo po kami dito. Si Mr. Benny. Tomas, si Mr. Benny, isa sa ating mga dance instructors here at napakagaling sa milonga din. Ayan, dito po tayo, yes. Pulang-pula. Happy birthday po!
I'm on fire.
Oh yes, this girl is on fire. Would you like to say hi to your family all the way at the back?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng dumating. I love you all.
Wow, parang mga 70 people yung dala mo, madam And Ladies and gentlemen, let us also thank Miss Resi for bringing us the lechon tonight. Marami pong salamat sa lechon. Yan, alam niyo yung mga calories natin, ibe-burn lang din natin lahat dito. Yan.
Sasayaw natin
Opo,
lahat yan.
isasayaw natin lahat yan. Kanina po natanong ko si Miss Georgie, taga Palm Springs daw po siya. Kayo po, saan po kayo dito sa US?
Sa tabi-tabi lang ako.
Sa tabi-tabi. Glendale! Oh, yun, 2 minutes away from here. Pero, but in the Philippines, where are you from po?
Pampanga.
From Pampanga, mga kabalan, nasa yung mga kabalan dyan? Ang dami. Ayan, mga gwapo at magaganda ang mga kapampangan. Yes. Yun po bang milonga is your favorite dance?
Well, one of them.
One of them. Ano pa po yung mga ilang mga favorite dances niyo po?
I like Argentine tango
Uy,
and the swing too.
swing. Yan na. Speaking of that, maybe kasi on Wednesday, meron din po tayong dance fusion sa QD. Baka gusto nyo rin mag-celebrate doon together with Miss Georgie. Diba? Ayan, maraming salamat po kay Miss Resi and of course, Mr. Benny. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin sila. Next performer, syempre, mas marami tayong regalo sa inyong lahat. Another performers to give us a treat. Ladies and gentlemen, one of our dance instructors, and he's also celebrating his birthday tonight. Yes, guwapong-guwapo ito. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dennis, together with his partner, Miss Carmen. To dance alternative Argentine tango. Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. It's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man way down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he feels satisfied is when he's on a drunk.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dennis and Miss Carmi. Yan, dito muna tayo sa gitna. Thank you very much. And happy birthday, Mr. Dennis! Yan to our newcomers si Mr. Dennis po, he used to perform in big televisions before, back in the Philippines. And he's part of the group dancers called
Aces.
Aces po yun, di ba? Katulad niya nila Mr. Jerome Espeleta, yung mga sikat. Ito rin, sikat din po ito. Ayan.
hindi naman.
It's an honor, di ba, to dance with him. Ayan. Si Mr. Dennis, how are you feeling tonight celebrating your birthday here?
Ay, napaka Saya po, napakasaya. Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin na nagpunta rito. Sa mga guests. Yan, mga kaibigan talaga. Salamat po.
Yes. And would you like to greet your lovely wife over
Yeah,
there?
yung asawa ko nandito. Salamat din. Wala yung anak kong babae.
Oo nga eh. Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Ito naman si Miss Carmi. Ayan. Ito bang dance ninyo ay impromptu po ba ito tonight?
Nag-practice din kami.
Nag-practice
Paano?
din.
Yes. Oo.
Yes, pero si Miss Carmi po, she's not just a dancer here in our ballroom world. She's also co-producing a concert. Diba?
Yes.
Yes, she's co-producing a concert coming on September 6 with Brian McKnight. Wow, diba? Todo-todo talaga ang kabonggahan nyo, madam. September 6 po yan, 2025, Brian McKnight concert.
Yeah, at the Redondo Performing Arts Center.
Yes,
On
and
September
the ticket is going to be available sa Ticketmaster next week.
Next week.
And the ticket range is?
From 358 down to 98.
Ayun, doon tayo sa 358. Pag-iipunan natin yan. Ayan, thank you po. Congratulations sa inyong
Thank you very
sayaw
much.
tonight. Happy birthday, thank you. Hatid muna natin si Madam. Ayan po yung kanta ni Brian McKnight. Ayan. Social, di ba? Ayan. Nako, Mr. Dennis, halika, samahan mo ako uli. Meron po akong surprise sa'yo. Opo.
Ano na naman to?
Alam mo naman dito sa Dance Avenue, todo sa saya, todo sa sayawan, bongga. Sabi nga ni
Bongga, oo.
Mr. Brooks. Okay lang bang i-challenge pa kita ng isa pa?
Akala ko ikaw. Bakit ako nadamay dito?
Opo, di ba gusto niyo bang i-challenge ko pang isa pa?
Ay,
Kasi I just saw one of our special guests who just came tonight. Kararating lang, hindi pa nagpapalit ng dance shoes.
Oho.
Oo, pero parang gusto ko siyang i-challenge ngayon. Okay lang bang kizumba?
Oo naman.
Oh, pwede,
oo naman.
pwede.
Oo.
Ayan. Kararating lang po niya. Ayan, sige. Ang pagbabalik po ni Miss Tess Bolong.
Aba.
Uy!
Tanggalin
Challenge
ko na
po
yan,
ito, ha?
mainit.
Ito biglaan lang po talaga. So we saw her at the door stepping in. So it's like, okay, sige, i-dance challenge natin dahil birthday naman ni Mr. Dennis. Okay, impromptu. Wala pang dancing shoes. Oo. Ladies and gentlemen, Dennis and Miss Tess.
Un paso me voy para siempre, un paso fuerte, un paso hacia adelante. Dos pasos me voy sin mirarte, tan lejos pise. Dos pasos y ya te olvidé. Tres pasos ya son hacia el este, el sur, el oeste. Tres pasos creo mucho me parece.
¿Y cuando volverá?
Je ne reviendrai pas,
¿Cuándo volverás?
je suis si loin déjà.
¿Cuándo volverás? Un día o
Jamás.
¿Y cuando volverás?
J'ai fait le premier
¿Cuándo
pas,
volverás?
et tú ne m'attends
¿Cuándo
pas.
volverás? Un día o jamás.
Cuatro pasos quiero acordarme, cuatro pasos ya sé. Tú me quisiste, yo te quise. Cinco pasos ya sin perderme, tanto me alejé. Cinco pasos y te perdoné. Seis pasos ya son casi siete, contar más no sé. 1000 pasos y más me quedo de pie.
¿Y cuando volverás?
Je ne reviendrai pas,
¿Cuándo volverás?
je suis si loin
Thank you,
déjà.
thank you. Challenge accepted. Halika po, madam. Dito po muna tayo sa gitna. Samahan niyo po kami. Sorry po, yun hindi muna natin siya pinakain. Yan. So that was Kizomba. Yan. Yung mga bata sa likod, ha? Doon muna tayo sa likod. Yan. Pero it may look like a sensual dance, pero it's not actual a sensual dance. It's a particular dance na kailangan talagang magkalapit ang magka-partner. 'Di ba? Yan, talaga. Palakpakan po natin for Kizomba, Miss Tess and Mr. Dennis. Yan. O sige, hinga mo muna tayong konti. Hindi ko kaya yun. Pagka po, magpapaturo ako sa iyo, ah. Yan. Pero ano po bang pinagkakabalahan ni Miss Tess tonight sa ating buhay-buhay ngayon? Bukod sa dancing, almost like 3 times a week ba? Ang ballroom dancing. Yan. Saan po tayo nagsasayaw bukod sa Dance Avenue every Monday?
Ray Roca, Monday.
Yes.
Wednesday, Nora Joy.
Yes.
Friday, kahit saan.
Oh, ayun. Freelance po siya kahit saan. Yan. And pero thank you sa pag-accept ng challenge namin sa inyo. Tignan mo naman, hindi pa naka-dance shoes yan. Ganun tayo ka-ready dito po sa Dance Avenue. Meron pa ako isang may challenge pa ako sa iyo. Kasi dito po sa Dance Avenue, meron kaming challenge dito na gagawin. 'Di ba? Ganito lang. Ito magaling ka rito eh. Gagawa ka lang ng own version mo ng dito sa Dance Avenue. Ayan. Sige, inom muna tayo. Ayan, inom. Thank you very much to Miss Tess Bolong for always supporting all our dancers here in the ballroom world. And of course, Miss Nora Joy Kini, thank you so much din po. And Mr. Lloyd Rain sa laging pagsuporta sa ating mga dancers. Palagi yan. O yan, eto na ang aking challenge sa'yo. Gagawa ka ng version mo ng sarili dahil dito sa Dance Avenue, todo sa saya, todo sa sayawan, bongga! Ayun. O, sige, ikaw naman. Ako magsasalita. 3, 2, 1. Todo sa saya. Todo sa sayawan. O, ikaw na magsasabi ng bongga.
Bongga, bongga.
Ah! Oh, wala na. Pwede na ako umuwi. Ayan, ganyan po si Tess Bolong. Thank you po, madam. Thank you po. Game na game po talaga ang ating mga dancers. 'Di ba? Miss Imelda, next ikaw naman ha. So nakita niyo naman po yan ang ating mga viewers sa YouTube. Ganito po tayo kasaya dito. Lahat po ng ating mga guests are always excited to come here every Monday dahil ito yung favorite araw namin na nilulook forward to palagi. At nagbibihis talaga ang ating mga guests. Yan. Pasalamatan po natin muli ang mga nagdala ng food tonight. Miss Tita Mary Nene Maceda for the biscotti. Maraming salamat po. Ang ating napakasarap na pansit at kare-kare niluto po ni Miss Divine. Thank you. Salamat din po sa lechon, na sexy nung lechon. Si Miss Resi, thank you so much. Thank you. And of course, we would like to invite you on June 18 sa Summer Blast ng Dance Ballroom Fusion, yan po, sa QD po yan. So may mga raffle po dyan. Ang grand prize po nila ay $1,000 at marami pa po silang mga sorpresa. And of course, I would like to invite you guys sa inyong lahat on May 1, this coming Thursday, baka po mahilig po kayong magkaraoke. We will be back here at iVenue for karaoke at 7 p.m. This coming Thursday po yan. Kaya balik po kayo. Tutulungan po tayo ni Miss Abby and ni Miss Jenny to distribute our flyers para po maalala niyong bumalik on Thursday. Maraming salamat po. Alright, maraming po salamat sa ating mga sponsors na laging sumusubaybay at laging nagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa atin dito sa Dance Avenue. The Roca Firm, thank you very much. The Elegant Ladies, thank you so much. Thank you po. Ang TGIM, thank you very much. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo. Yes, and of course, next week we would like to invite you again here at iVenue, Dance Avenue, 5 de Mayo.
5 de Mayo.
Yes,
Sa Monday po yan.
Oo, kaya wear your best 5 de Mayo outfit. 'Di ba? So next week po yan. Balik po kayo dito. Sa Dance Avenue, punong-puno ng sayawan at pagkakaibigan. Every Monday po yan dito sa iVenue in Glendale. Punta po kayo dito palagi. And again, thank you so much for watching us every week. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. And of course, the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga ipinopost. Okay, ready na ba ang family and friends? Ready na? Are you guys ready to dance?
Ready!
Yan, nasa pa yung mga birthday celebrant? Forward natin yung mga birthday natin. Si Mr. Dennis.
Nandito
Yan,
ako,
halika.
nandito.
Hindi ka namin makakalimutan.
Yes. Ayan, dito ako,
Alright.
dito ako.
We're gonna do our little
Sa
dance.
gitna ka kasi nakapula ka.
Kanta, okay.
Okay. Oo, nakapula ka eh.
Alright! Everyone, are you ready? Ready!
Hey, hey!
When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make it sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore.
with her